Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Welcome to schoolyhub.com. So today in this video I will guide you through the step-by-step process that how you can apply to Young Achievers Scholarship in the session 2025, which is offered by the University of Bangkok, which is located in Thailand for international students. Okay, so here you will have to scroll down like scholarship summary. Host country is Thailand and study abroad study in Asia. No, Thailand is coming Europe, so it's a mistake. So scholarship category, this is only open for first graduate student and as well as master students. And eligible country, all countries eligible to apply and reward is for scholarship, exemption, professional training, and opportunity as well. Okay, the people will also award you by different type of opportunities. So the application deadline is February 28, 2025. We will read about the eligibility criteria here. Like the first one, education background, completion of a bachelor degree to apply for a master, and a nationality open to both Thai and non-Thai. Nationality mean open worldwide. Students can apply. Okay, and academic excellence minimum a cumulative CGPA of 3.25 or higher is required in a bachelor degree, and professional experience a minimum of 3 years experience in a field related to the chosen program, depending upon your field. Okay, and commitment to excellence, candidates should demonstrate a strong commitment to contributing positively to their academic and professional communities. So that's just easy criteria. And here you will have to scroll down. Like the required document person is a copy of their bachelor degree transcripts, as you know, and the second one is a copy of their national identification card or passport, and a witness of name or surname change if applicable. Okay, and certificate of employment confirm at least 3 years of relevant work experience. You will be required to get a certificate of 3 years experience, which prove that applicants completed a 3 years experience in their field. And a portfolio including personal information, resume or CV, and a reason for interest in the program. You will have to write about that. And last one, in any additional achievements or certification that support the application. Okay, so for applying directly, you will have to scroll down and click here and open this link in a new tab. So here you will see like this interface is the website of Bangkok University in Thailand. So if you want to read something more about this, so here you can read here like eligibility criteria, qualification, completed a bachelor degree, Thai and 9, as I told you before. You need to read it again. Okay, so here you will have to scroll up again and click here like apply now button. You will see like this interface directly after clicking on apply now button. Here application for foreign student, not for Thailand. Okay, undergraduate program only mean who completed bachelor degree. And here you will have to put your passport number in this area, or citizen identity card number. You can also put your identity number if you didn't make your passport, so you can also apply by identity card. Okay, and if you have a passport, so put a passport number in this area. And what that means, date of birth, like in this format you have to put, and click on agree to condition of these agreements, and then click on submit button. Okay, so from here your application process will be started. Like here's the personal information section, countries, title, you have to put about that, master or something else, and then name, last name, nationality, phone number, email address. This is just easy. And then the second one portion is about applicants education background, highest level of education, high school diploma, general education. Okay, so you have to put about that in this area, and name of school, college, or university. You have to primarily completed your undergraduate study, and cumulative grade point. You have to what was your GPA. Okay, and admission information, project name. Here in this area you have to select the project. Okay, and first selected, yeah, so you have to select international program in this area, and then school and faculty and major. Okay, and then click on submit button. So this is just about like you have to put about application or make up application applicant profile in here in this area. And the next one should be step should be upload your documents of your certificate, of 3 year certificate experience certificate in your relevant field. And third one step, application result. Just wait for your application result. Okay, and after that there is nothing. Okay, so here you will have to if you fill out this blanks, I think these blanks, so this page will allow you to move to the next one step, which is upload your documents and a application result, and then click on submit button. Okay, so I don't want to apply, so this video was just for guidance. So this was a short video that how you can apply to Bangkok University scholarship, which is offered by the government of Thailand for international students. Okay, so here is our website, that is by the name of schoolyhub.com. I will put the link up for this opportunity in the video description below. You can apply from there, and if you want to find more scholarship opportunity for yourself, so you can visit to our website and find it in the search engine of our website. Okay, and if you are worried that how you can apply to this scholarship opportunity, so for that we created our YouTube channel, that is by the name of Schoolie Hub. You can visit our channel and you will find more opportunity for yourself, like Turkey Baslari scholarship, that how you can apply, Hungarian government scholarship, China's government scholarship, and so on. Okay, so if you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe it, and also like our video to get more information from our side.